To connect your Xendit payment gateway with your Interakt account, simply go to the integration section. Here you will see the Xendit app card. Click on connect to Interakt and here you can see you'll need to complete two steps. The first step is to configure the payment gateway workflow such that whenever a payment gets success, you can send out an automated confirmation message to your customers. Alright, let's start with the step 1. Simply click on here. You will be redirected to a new tab wherein you can see a workflow. Simply tap on the workflow and hit install. Once installed, simply go to the edit section. Here you need to enter your Xendit API key. As you can see, the link over here has already been mentioned. So I'll just simply copy this link and open it up. Under the settings section, here you can see your API keys. You can simply generate one of the secret key from here itself. For this video, I've already created an API key. Alright, let's go back. Paste your API key and hit connect. Simply authenticate your Interakt account. Once both your apps are connected, simply move on to the next step, which is flow configuration. Under flow configuration, all you need to do is click on this activate button. Alright, now that you can see the workflow has been activated successfully. To complete this integration, now just go back to the connect section. Here now you will notice that there is a webhook URL which has been generated. Simply copy this webhook URL and go back to your Xendit dashboard. Under the developer settings, simply go to the webhook section and look for invoices. Under invoices, simply paste this webhook URL and click on test and save. Once this is done, now you can go back to your Interakt dashboard, enter the same API key over here as well, paste the API key and hit submit. Your app should be connected successfully now. You can also set up an ongoing campaign in such a way that whenever somebody completes or makes a payment, they receive an automated confirmation message. To do so, simply go to the notification section, click on new campaign and start from scratch. Here you can select your campaign name. Let's suppose I'll just type out a random name over here. In the first step, change the notification type to ongoing and the trigger should be set as after the customer does an event. Now under choose event, you can select the event name over here, which would be WhatsApp order placed. And you can also set up as to when would you want to send out the message. Whether you want to send this out immediately or with a delay of, let's suppose, a few days, hours or minutes of event happening. In this case, I'll keep it as immediately. Please note that for this event to appear over here, you need to make a test transaction via the payment link generated through inbox. After the payment is completed, only and only then this particular event would be visible to you for creating the campaign. Alright, let's move ahead. Once you've done with the first step, you can go to the second step wherein you can select the template over here. I'll quickly search for my template name. So it will be order place, notification, choose template. I'll complete my mapping wherein I want to enter the placeholders over here, something like name, order number, total amount. Once I've done, I can move on to the next step. The third step is, if you want, you can select either of the options. If you want to select any automations over here. In this case, I'll just quickly skip this because it's more like a confirmation message. I can set this up. Scheduling would be immediately, which means that the campaign would start immediately as soon as you set it live, and you can set the stop sending as never unless and until you manually pause it. After this, you can simply click on set live. To test the order confirmation flow, you can simply go to the inbox and click on this button which says payment link. Once you tap on this, Here all you need to do is enter an amount. Let's suppose I'll create a random payment link of 12,000 rupiah. As you can see, it shows that the payments will be made via Xendit. Simply tap on generate payment link. As you can see, the payment link has been generated successfully. You can simply tap on send link and send it to the end customer. For this case, I'll be making a payment via this payment link. The payment has been sent successfully. As you can see, the order has been successfully confirmed and I have received the template that was mapped by me in the previous step. In case you have a catalog connected to your WhatsApp account, you can also make use of our auto checkout feature. To do so, simply go to the commerce section and click on auto checkout flow. Over here, you will see 3 steps which needs to be completed. The first step is wherein you can apply a shipping cost to the order. There are 2 ways to do it. The first one is either you can select a free shipping cost or you can add a shipping cost over here. In this case, I'll select the shipping cost as free. Once you do this, move on to the second step. The second step is to provide discounts. There are 2 options. Either you can provide a discount or you can go ahead with no discount. In this case, I'll be providing a 10% discount to all the cards which have a minimum cart value above, or you can click on confirm discount. The last step is to select the online payment method. In case you wanna also provide cash on delivery, you can select the cash on delivery or you can deselect it. In this case, I'm selecting both cash on delivery and online payment. So for payment, I already have Xendit payment gateway connected. As you can see over here, once I do this, I can simply go and click confirm payment option. Once all of this is done, you can simply set the auto checkout flow live. Also, to know more, you can simply tap on this button to have a look at the quick video for setting up the auto checkout flow. Once you do this, just hit set live and you're good to go ahead. To test this auto checkout flow, you can simply go back to the inbox by clicking on this catalog message button. It'll open up your catalog and you can just select any of the product. Let's suppose I'm selecting this particular product. I'll hit send catalog and the catalog has been sent. Now on the customer side, the customer will carry on by adding the products to cart and placing the order. As you can see, I've added one of the items in the cart. I'll get the next question wherein it asks me that to confirm the order. Let's suppose I'll select yes. Now it'll ask me to confirm my address. Since my address is already stored over here, so I'll just select yes. I'll select online as the option since I want the payment link to be automatically generated for this particular order. And as you can see, the payment link has been generated for this particular order. Your customer can just simply tap on the link and make the payment. For this case, I'll just quickly make a payment. As you can see that the order has been successfully placed and I've received the confirmation message.